Hey guys, it's me again. So I'm gonna do the what's in your fridge. Don't mind my scarce refrigerator. There's not a lot in it. I have to go grocery shopping, but I didn't yet because we're gonna be out of town for the whole weekend. So pretty much all that's in there is drinks, plus Chad is vegan, so there's not much that he eats anyway unless I cook it fresh, and then the next day he eats all the leftovers, so we don't really have a lot of food storage in the house. I usually cook just about every night, or we go to a health food store and get takeout there because they have like takeout. So here's my what's in your fridge, and again, I'm sorry it's not a lot. Alright, so this is our fridge to begin with. Christmas. That's what I have up there for Christmas. I have to take it down. My favorite season. Boo. This is our animal hospital magnet, but this paper is healthy eating tips from my nutritionist for my surgery. A few notepads and chip clips, even though we don't eat chips. And our calendar for our busy lives, as you can see. Not really, we don't have a lot of busy lives. Okay, my freezer is the most scarce of all. Just ice. Nothing in the freezer. The reason there's nothing in the freezer is because we don't eat meat. And really the already prepared foods that you heat up from the freezer are actually bad for you. So we don't eat those. Everything that we make is fresh. So, okay. Here is our door. Baking soda, cat food, minced garlic, and Chad's flax oil pills. I can't take them because they're horse pills. Fresh organic blueberries, organic strawberries, organic bay leaves. We use those a lot for our soups. I eat eggs and cheese. He does not. So my egg whites, egg beaters, his naked drinks. He loves naked. I think it personally tastes like dirt. Texas Pete hot sauce, Vegenaise, which tastes just like mayonnaise. My organic ginger soy vinaigrette, and El Paso jalapeno slices. So that's what's over here in the door. Then we have our soy milk chocolate light. I usually drink that with my protein shakes in the morning. Dark chocolate pure almond milk, that's disgusting. He likes it. Lactose free soy milk nog without the egg. We drink a lot of this. V8 Fusion peach mango, and then strawberry banana. We drink a lot of that. V8 vegetable, some more in back there. I am in love with this. It's pomegranate blueberry, and this is nasty. It's soy milk vanilla light. I really don't like that stuff. And lots of pulp orange juice. He drinks that. I can't now that I have the band. The membranes of it get stuck. So I drink no pulp. Oh, and since we are going out of town, oh, I do have cheese. But that's the only thing in here. And I hate this fridge because I just hate it. So, that is my what's in your fridge. I told you it's pretty scarce, but the holidays are coming up, and then after the holidays I'll stock up on everything again. Since we get everything fresh, it doesn't really last all that long. Oh, I guess I can show you our, don't mind the mess, our fruit bowl. Organic pineapple, organic bananas, and organic clementines. I am in love with these now. Isn't that weird? I can't drink lots of pulp orange juice, but I can eat oranges and like clementines and stuff from the orange family. So that's it for that. And I guess I can do a house tour. Just let me do the dishes first. And Gracie wants to say bye. Say bye. Grace, say bye. Meow. Gracie, say bye. Alright, bye guys. Thanks for watching.